this Overland Australia episode, we leave Melbourne to travel the Great Ocean Road. And Melbourne was celebrating our departure. The Great Ocean Road is a scenic route along the southern shores of Australia, but summers are always a time for bushfires in Australia. And the fires don't just affect the forests. Homes can also be victims, as well as the wildlife. But not everyone fights fires. Other brave souls fight the waves. Then there's Bell's Beach, a surfer's paradise. I needed to test drive my new wetsuit. In Apollo Beach, I discovered that koalas can fly.
Perform a U-turn when possible.
In spite of disagreements with my GPS, we were finally getting close to the world-famous 12 Apostles, the main attraction on this stretch of coast. And lots of tourists, and lots of viewing options.